Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever, boosting your immunity naturally. In this video, we're serving up the top 5 natural remedies that will transform your immune system from meh to mighty. We all want to live our best lives, and a strong immune system is your ticket to long-lasting health and vitality. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some incredible remedies that you probably didn't know about. From immune-boosting elixirs to powerful superfoods, we've got the secrets that will supercharge your body's natural defenses. You won't need to break the bank or rely on fancy supplements. It's all about harnessing the power of nature. So, if you're ready to discover the hidden gems of natural immunity enhancement, keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to stay healthy and thriving. Let's get started. The power of a strong immune system. Our immune system plays a critical role in keeping us healthy. It's our body's natural defense against harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. A robust immune system not only keeps illnesses at bay, but also promotes overall well-being. The role of nutrition. One of the most effective ways to boost your immune system is through proper nutrition. Let's explore the first natural remedy. Eat colorful foods. Fruits and vegetables of different colors are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are like fuel for your immune system. Stay hydrated. Water is life, and it's a key player in maintaining a strong immune system. Hydration helps in the proper functioning of your immune cells. Exercise and immunity. Exercise regularly. Physical activity not only keeps you fit, but also boosts your immune system. It increases the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for immunity. Quality sleep. Get quality sleep. Your body repairs and regenerates while you sleep. Lack of sleep can weaken your immune system. Make sure to get 7-9 hours of quality rest each night. Stress management. Manage stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your immune system. Engage in relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga to keep stress at bay. Natural supplements. Natural supplements like vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc can also give your immune system a significant boost. Consult with a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your routine. Thank you for joining us today as we delved into the fascinating world of boosting your immune system. We've covered a lot of ground, exploring the vital elements that contribute to a robust defense against illness and disease. So, let's recap the key takeaways from today's discussion. We kicked things off by emphasizing the importance of a strong immune system. It's your body's natural shield, protecting you from various threats. And the good news is, you can strengthen it. Next, we explored the role of nutrition. Remember, you are what you eat. A well-balanced diet loaded with nutrients is the foundation of a powerful immune system. We highlighted the significance of colorful foods. A variety of fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins and antioxidants that help your immune system thrive. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water keeps your body functioning optimally, enabling immune cells to do their job effectively. We also discussed how regular exercise can bolster your immunity. It's not just about physical fitness, it's about ensuring your immune system stays in top shape. Don't forget about quality sleep. A good night's rest is when your body repairs and regenerates, strengthening your immune defenses. Managing stress is key. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, so make sure to incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine. And finally, we explored the use of natural supplements. While they can be beneficial, they should complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. Now that we've covered all these essential aspects, it's time to take action. Strengthening your immune system is within your reach, and I encourage you to start implementing these strategies into your life today. Make the commitment to eat a rainbow of colorful foods, prioritize exercise, ensure you're getting quality sleep, and find effective ways to manage stress. Remember that these lifestyle changes are not just about fighting off illness, they're about enhancing your overall well-being. And when it comes to natural supplements, consult with a healthcare professional to find the best options for you. They can be a valuable addition to your wellness journey. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. It might just inspire someone to make positive changes in their life. And now, for the most important part, your turn. Tell us in the comments below which strategies you'll be implementing to strengthen your immune system. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for watching today, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Together, we can take control of our health and well-being. Until next time, take care of yourself and your immune system. Stay healthy, stay happy.